Today we'll be reviewing the uses of ser and estar in Spanish. In English, both of these words mean to be. The only difference between the two in Spanish is when we use them. So to start, we use the verb ser to describe the time. We use the verb ser to describe someone's physical characteristics or personality traits. We use it to tell the origin of a person or a thing. And we also use it to indicate a person's profession. Now you should remember the forms of ser from last year. Those forms are yo soy, tú eres, él, ella y usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, and ellos, ellas y ustedes son. Now we use the verb estar to tell about feelings and emotions. We also use it to tell the location of a person or a thing. And we use it to describe a condition such as tired, sick, or busy. We have this little rhyme to help remember when to use ser and when to use estar, and it is how you feel and where you are, always use the verb estar. Now, if your use does not fall into the categories of feelings or conditions or a location, you will always know that you need to use the verb ser. Again, from last year, you should remember the forms of estar. They are estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. Now please take a minute to do a little bit of practice. Okay, were you able to get these correctly? Please take a look at the ser column. Number 1 should be María es de Ecuador. In this case, we use es because we are telling the origin of María. Number 2, los estudiantes son inteligentes. In this case, we use son, the verb ser, to describe a person's characteristics or personality traits. Number 3, son las 3 de la tarde. In this case, we use son, the verb ser, to describe the time. If you look at the column on the right, number 1 is yo estoy cansada. We use the verb estar in this case to describe someone's condition. Number 2, mis padres están ocupados. In this case, we use estar because this is a condition as well. And number 3, nosotros estamos en el gimnasio. We use estar in this case to indicate the location. Now please fill in these blanks for homework, write them in your notebook, number it 1 through 8, and make sure you have it ready to show me on Monday.